boundary for your VR space. First, go to the taskbar and click on the Wi-Fi option as shown on the screen. Next, you'll see the boundary option. There are two types of boundaries available, room scale and stationary. In this example, we'll create a room scale boundary. Select Boundary, then choose Adjust Room Scale. After that, go to Draw Room Scale. Now, simply confirm and start drawing your boundary area carefully on the floor space. Once done, select Confirm again, and your room scale boundary is successfully created. Your VR play area is now ready. You're all set to explore safely inside Melzo Anubhav.